General Tso's chicken, now tofu to make it vegan, may be named after a 19th century Hunanese general, but he certainly never ate anything like it. The dish, as most Americans know it today, was invented in Taiwan in the 1950s by Chang-kuei. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the vegan version. Here are the ingredients. I will also list the ingredients down below the video. Now we're going to use some paper towels to remove as much water as we can from the tofu. Cut the tofu into small uniform pieces. Use another paper towel to squeeze even more water out of the tofu pieces. Add the cornstarch and salt in a large mixing bowl. Stir to mix well and then add the tofu. Shake the bowl to coat all of the tofu pieces with the cornstarch and salt. Add the canola oil to the pan using medium-high heat. Don't use olive oil, its smoke point is too low. You need to get the oil very hot to crispen the tofu. Unfortunately, I only had the spray oil. I don't recommend using this for this recipe. Make sure you use 1/4 cup of canola oil. Make sure the oil is very hot before you add the tofu. Carefully add the tofu to the pan using some tongs. Don't overcrowd the pan, otherwise the oil will not stay hot enough to crispen the tofu. It's best to cook the tofu in 2 different batches. Make sure the tofu is crispy on both sides, then place it in a bowl to use later. Now add the frozen broccoli to the pan to thaw it, then add the scallions and garlic. If you are using fresh broccoli, add the broccoli, garlic, and scallions to the pan at the same time and cook until the garlic is fragrant, about 1 minute. Add the maple syrup or agave, ketchup, soy sauce, or Bragg liquid aminos, veggie broth, ginger, sriracha, and stir. Now add the crispy tofu to warm it up. Then cook for 5 minutes to let the sauce thicken. Congrats, you just made General Tso tofu. Now you can serve it with some white rice. Please let me know in the comments if you try this recipe. I got this great recipe from watching a video by the Buddhist chef. Please check out his website, his YouTube channel, and his book. He is an excellent chef and has some great recipes. If you would like to see a lot more vegan recipes, please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bon appetit!